Have you ever wondered why some people suffer despite doing nothing wrong, while others seems to escape the consequence of their evil deed? But if I told you every action you take today waves your future, this is not just a story; it is a revelation. Inspired by the wisdom of Buddha, this mysterious tale will uncover the unseen force shaping your life karma. Watch the story till the end. This story might just change the way you see your past, your present, and your destiny. Karma and the law, cause and effects. In a small Himalaya village nestled between ancient forests lived a man named Siddha. He was known for his wealth but also for his cruelty. His servants feared him, animals ran from him, and villagers prayed not to cross paths with him. Despite his misdeeds, nothing bad ever seemed to happen to him. One stormy evening, an old monk appeared at his doorstep, dressed but calm. Let him in, ordered Siddha, amused by the monk's audacity. The monk entered silently and set arose from him. You may be rich now, Siddha, but the seeds you have sown are waiting a sprout. Siddha scoffed Karma. I create my own destiny. The monk only smiled and replied, so did a man long ago. Let me tell you his story. The monk spoke of Prince Viran, a noble warrior from century past. He was brave, skilled, and admired by many, but his heart was filled with arrogance. In pursuit of glory, he had destroyed a peaceful monastery to prove his power. The monk had warned him, one day your action will return not in the way you expect but when you are most vulnerable. Year passed, Viran became king but suffered tragedy after tragedy. His queen died mysteriously. His son was born blind and rebellion rose in his kingdom. Nothing he did brought peace. Hunted, he left his throne and wandered until he met a enlightened sage who explained the law of karma. Every action has a ripple. Your past is not punishment. It's a mirror what you caused once in finding its way back to you. Not to destroy you, but to evac you. Viran wept. He meditated for years seeking truth, and one day peace bloomed with him. Peace bloomed within him like a lotus. Siddha laughed another fairy tale. But that night, Siddha could not sleep. Strange dreams hunted him. A blind child called him father, a temple burning, a monk silently cried. When he awoke, the monk was gone, but a scroll lay on the floor. Your riches are the echo of your past life, kindness. Your cruelty today will echo louder tomorrow. You can break his cycle. You can break this cycle not by power but by awakening. The words praised his heart. Days turned to weeks. Siddha stopped shouting at his servants. He began donating secretly. He helped an orphan boy, taught him farming, and watched his smile. Peace, once foreign to him, entered his soul. Year later, the village knew Siddha not as the cruel rich man, but as the wise old teacher who spoke of karma and how it does not punish its teachers. Punish, it teaches. Moral of the story: our thoughts, words, and action is a seed. Karma is not punishment, it is education. The universe remember, but it also forgive, and the moment you awaken, you begin rewriting your future. Guys, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.